Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing these 18-inch pre-twisted burgundy passion twists. These are crochet braids, y'all. If you want to see how I got this look, you just keep on watching. Okay, I start with my regular foundation, the 8 braids going to the back, and it ended up being like 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 braids going to the back. My sister-in-law did this foundation for me, so it was so quick and easy. I just do the connecting braids in the front, and then the French braids going to the back. And this is the hair by Loose Mirror, I want to say. Hair, it comes with the crochet needle and the little jewels that come with it, and it comes with 8 packs of hair, which is plenty enough to do a full head. So it was 8 and it was 12 in a pack, so it was 8 times 12, which was 96. And so it's plenty enough hair, and I actually had some left at the end, and I'll show you guys how many I had as well. So here I'm just opening up the hair right here just to let you see the hair before I install it, and then count the strands as well, so you'll know. It had absolutely no smell to it whatsoever. Normally it's like baby doll hair smell, but there was absolutely no smell to it whatsoever, which is an amazing thing. So here I'm just showing you the quality of the hair. It goes like from black down to the burgundy color, so kind of like an ombre color. And so here, yes, I'm counting this 10, 11, 12, so 12 strands of hair, which is plenty enough for a full head. And here I always start at the nape of the neck. I always start at the back and work my way up to the front. So here I was just doing the first one, and it seemed like it was a little rough getting that first one through, maybe because of the angle that I had it on, but it's not, it's not a hard thing. I'm doing this one kind of rather low, and I normally don't do them that low, but I did do the first couple of ones that low. But you see how it was kind of hard to get it through. She really braided my hair on this one, which is great because it's a sturdy foundation and it did last. But I'm just putting that hair through, and then it's pre-loop, so you have that loop right there, and then you just pull it through. Very, very quick, easy, and simple. All right, and I finished the first one already, and I was using the 2-finger method to space them. Some had gaps, and I went back and filled them in. But this hairstyle was so quick, it took me maybe 30, 35 minutes to actually install them. So it's a really quick hairdo, and I loved it. And that's the second row right there. And like I said, I use a 2-finger method to space them out, and then go back and fill the gaps in. And like I said, this style didn't take long at all. That's the third row right there. And then I'm just going to skip all the way to the next braid. But yeah, so it had a few. It was looking pretty gappy, and I did go back and fill that in, but I didn't record that part. But this hairstyle really did take probably 45 minutes at tops. So as you can see, I sprayed my roots as well, because my hair is burgundy or red, and I need my what do you call it, my ends done. Not, what do you call it, I need my touch up, my root touch up. So I just have to spray, and I just spray it. That's just my way of cheating. So I just spray the hair, and then went ahead and put it in. But once I get all the hair in, you can't tell anyway. So here I'm just putting the crochet needle in, just for those who need to see it. Putting the crochet hook in and pulling it right through, and then pulling it through that pre-looped hole. Very, very easy. This hair was very soft. It was not rough at all. You know how sometimes the faux locks be kind of rough. This hair was not like that at all. It was really nice and soft, so it was really easy to get it through. And I mean, I was zooming through this hair, guys. It took literally no time. I think I had something to do the next day, and I got this done that night, and it was awesome. It's like I didn't even plan on it being so quick, but it was, and I loved it. And this is it, the finished product. I will show you guys a few styles here, but this is the hair by Loose Mirror. I hope I'm saying that right. Loose Mirror Store. This is the passion twist. It's 18 inches. It's pre-twisted, and it's the crochet hair, of course, and it's pre-looped, and it is synthetic, of course, and it's the colors T1B/burgundy. T1B/burgundy is the color of this hair. So it's not red or anything like that, but it's T1B/BUG, which is short for burgundy. So here I'm just putting it up, half down, to show you guys the different styles that you can do with this hair. And it's so versatile. I mean, you can do everything. I didn't show all the hairstyles, but just a couple different ones that I did. So this one was half up, half down. I wore it like that actually the most. This half up, half down style. And you see the ombre, how it looks? It's like the black and red at the roots, and then down toward the bottom you get more toward just the burgundy color. And it is really, really cute. I love my hair like this. So yeah, so it's a seller on Amazon. The hair costs approximately $45, I want to say. This video is sponsored, so they did pay for the hair, but when I go look on the site, it was approximately 45 bucks. And then this is one of the cute little styles that I did. But you guys know, again, I'm tall, 6'2", so I don't go around with this big bun on my head. I was just showing you as one of the styles that you can do for your hair. But that's not the style for me. I'm already too tall. That makes me 7 feet. Okay, and then so this is just the end. Just showing you how you can move the hair around. Is very versatile. I really like this hair a lot. I mean, I got a lot of compliments on this hair, and it was really soft and flowy and easy to put in a style, easy to put in a ponytail, just really, really easy. I like this hair so much, and I definitely will use this company again for sure. And then you just do whatever you need to do, like your baby hairs, or however it is that you want to manipulate the hair or whatever, lay it down. That's completely up to you, but it's really, really versatile, and I love it. So this is how much hair I had left. I think it was about 8 strands. So out of all of the 96 strands that I had, 5, 6, yep, it was 8 strands that I had left. And that was it. So you definitely have plenty enough for your entire head. So I thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you. And please, if you can do me a huge favor and subscribe instead of just watching my videos, that would be so helpful. And YouTube will appreciate it as well. Thank you so much, guys. Like and subscribe. Later.